Hey, welcome back to the farm. We're getting ready to have a big, major, to us in the southeast Tennessee, snowstorm, or winter storm, I guess. And we're supposed to have this morning, yesterday it's 6 to 8 inches. This morning it's 2 to 4 inches. And then this afternoon it's 6 to 8 inches. So I know one thing, it's cold as whiz. This is the coldest it's been this year. So I've been fighting the animals' water for a few days anyway, so we'll do that today. But I gotta get ready. I'm kind of going to show you what I'm going to do to get ready. I've got some extra gasoline already bought. Just stopped and bought it on the way home from work. My propane tanks, I checked them yesterday when they're good. Pretty good on firewood. That part's good. So I'm gonna start with the sheep because I want to turn them. I think their tarp blew up last night, so we gotta go down and check it. I want to turn them because the snow's coming this way, and I kind of want to turn them this way. And I want to turn the couple of chickens we're going to turn around and stuff. So let's get busy. Yeah, looks like the tarp definitely needs some work, so let's get these turned right and moved, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, so didn't charge my battery up on this, so it's dead. Hopefully that'll hold up. I don't think the wind is supposed to get any worse than it is now, so hopefully it'll hold up. But let's check their water real quick. Yeah, it's frozen solid. Well, it isn't not too bad at all, really. I hope the water's not, I kicked that yesterday as this little block. And oh shoot, hold on. Still got water on the inside, just froze around the edges. I kicked it yesterday after I pulled it out and broke through it, and it splashed all up on my leg, and I had to go change my socks and everything. So anyway, all right, I think they're good. They got plenty of grass, and now if it snows tomorrow, I'll have to feed them hay. And my plan is to videotape tomorrow too. And today is Thursday, January 9th maybe. I don't know. I didn't got my phone or nothing, so I'll have to check on that. But it's Thursday. This will be coming out on Saturday. So, like I said, if it snows, I'll throw hay out for them tomorrow. So the water's good. I got them good. I got them turned the way I want to. So let's go to the barn and see what that looks like. Of course, the first thing we check at the barn is we do a baby check. And I don't see any babies, so the goats will be fine. These, I wish they hadn't, I don't know why they do this, but they knocked the boards out over here. I got a little door for them over here that I cut a long time ago. But they like to see that opening over here. They made that. And it might blow over in that corner, but they got plenty of places to get over in here, so I'm not worried about them. The boys are fine. Chickens are fine. Looks like we might have lost a couple chicks. That's okay. The water's froze, so got plenty of hay down here, and I did get some more food this week for everybody, for goats, chickens, and the pigs, and everybody's okay. So, come here. All right, so I'm gonna get these goats fed, and we'll go feed the pigs. I'll take you out there for that. So the fire finally quit burning. Probably about Monday or so, a couple days ago. And my plan was this weekend to kind of pile I still got a little bit of stuff I want to burn that didn't burn out. And I was going to do that, and if it snows, I ain't got much to worry about. But there ain't much left. Hardly anything left. Let's get these things fed. My gosh. Their water's actually good, so I won't have to do nothing with them. It's not froze. They must probably beat it through there, but they're so impatient. So I got them fed, and I actually do give them, I give all the animals, chickens and everybody, a little extra feed, just because it's going to be so, it was cold last night. It was 11 degrees, so I don't think it's supposed to get that cold. It's still not going to get above freezing, but with the stress of the snow and everything. So all right, let me get these watered, and get my chicken feed loaded up, and we'll move on to the chickens. So I got this one kind of behind my piles of mulch, and I think it'll kind of protect it. I don't have them turned facing that way because the weather's coming this way. This one, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but, and looking into the sun. That one I put on a downslope, so it's kind of facing down, and hopefully it'll hit most of the roof. So now the big one, it don't really matter. I got it turned right for one thing. I got one out of 4 turned right, so that's batting 25%. The water is fine on both these so far. I mean, I had to dump a little ice out, so let's go feed and move the other one, and we'll be through for today. Got 2 eggs. Oh, let's go do this without breaking the egg in my pocket. Generally don't like to put eggs in my pocket because, let me set the camera down to say. I don't like to put eggs in my pocket because one, I either forget about them or I go do something and I forget about them and break them. I've done that I don't know how many times in my pocket, and you know what a mess that is. Now these are getting a little close to the house. I really wanted to go more that way, but that snow will come down and hit this part, and these chickens will be protected really well. Probably the best ones out of all of them, except for maybe in the barn. So these will be really good. All right, well, I'll bring you back tomorrow. It'll be a dud or it'll be a winter wonderland. So, or winter snow nightmares, snow something, I don't know. It's off pretty day today, I tell you. But it's cold as a whiz because I had to dig out my big jacket here. I had to do that for a couple of days, so. So I had to do a little something on the water and different there. I put a pan down there for them. The other 2 were fine, so I don't know. All right, I'm gonna get a go to the house and get the fire going. Probably eat some supper and watch a little football tonight. Get ready for tomorrow. Hopefully they call my work off so I don't have to go in. I don't know, I got my fingers crossed. All right, so you see what it looks like today? Blue skies. It's cold, but you wouldn't know that looking on the video. So we'll come back tomorrow and see what it looks like. Alrighty, it's the next day. It's probably about 3:30. It's we got a little break here, so I'm gonna go do my chores and check on my animals. Checked on my first set of chickens. They're okay, but I was just out here looking. You don't realize how quiet the snow, when it snows like this, is really quiet. I don't know why, but we got quite a bit. I hadn't seen hardly any traffic. I didn't have to go to work today, thank the Lord. So we'll go check on everything and do my chores, and I don't think it's as cold as it was yesterday. It's about 28 when I come out, so like I said, I think we got about 6 inches, and this is Tennessee, not Vermont, so we don't know how to handle it really well. I might even have to put my side-by-side in 4-wheel drive. I don't know. I hadn't so far, so let's go check and see if we got any babies, and check, make sure everybody's all right, and look around, see what's going on. Yeah, I'm kind of worried a little bit about the high tunnels. I wonder if I should knock this off. Probably all right. It's not really that don't feel brittle, and don't feel like there's a whole lot of weight on it, so hope it's okay. All right, let's go a little farther. Cold. Let's check on see if we see any babies. No babies. No babies. They're all dry. I mean, I don't see any snow in here, just like I was talking about yesterday, so we're pretty good there. Let's check on the pigs real quick. Didn't lose any chicks. Oh, the pigs are okay. All they want's some food. All right, let me get everybody fed and in the barn here, then we'll go down and look on the chickens a little better. So like something was in here. It's weird. Very weird. Now look. So this was a bale of hay down here yesterday, and so something come in and messed it up. Very weird. Very strange. All right, I won't get everybody fed, and if I see anything unusual, I'll let you know. If I don't make it, if there's something wild down there, that's weird. All right, let me feed. All right, I looked for tracks around the barn. That was very weird. Because I just put that hay bale down there yesterday. Looks like something went through it. Very weird. Now, I didn't see any tracks. Of course, it could have been last night. It didn't start snowing until about 7 a.m. So, got them some hay. They seem to be okay. We'll get them some water. I think the chickens are fine. Everything's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. It's Winter Wonderland. If I find out what that is before I post the video, I'll put a little epilogue, and I'll probably come down and check in the morning and see. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Little winter storm here. First one we had like this in a good while, and probably since I started my YouTube channel. So we got about, I'd say, 6 inches or so. Ain't nobody out stirring. I kind of like it like this. So it's Friday. Let's come out tomorrow, Saturday, and like I said, if I find out what that was, I'll go down and look for tracks. Now, I think everything's okay. The water wasn't froze. Got water. Pigs okay. Goats okay. No babies. Hey, appreciate everybody watching. Try to stay warm. I got a fire roaring in there. Boy, it feels good in there. It's about almost 70 something in the living room there. So everybody stay warm. It's probably ain't nothing if you're watching up north. Probably ain't nothing for you all. So, but it's something for us. It's a big deal. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish feeding, and I think me and Noah's gonna take the side by side on the road and do some donuts and stuff. So if we get hurt or something, you'll find out about the next video. Or at the live. We'll be live Monday night, hopefully, if the internet don't go down. So come see us Monday night, 7:30. We'll talk about all this mess and how everything's going. I appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you back down here on the farm in the snow.